Shubor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki arngot ki Samla bala kerni baha ki chingdi penbuan begentup ya kakiat berudrong kila ino shisndon bande yikum kinigi kam habakran hagasngi rakhe katunat social welfare yak International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking kablalong ha community hall mission compound kile thu yak ei kaba kile kendu hakapor badi kiat badi drong uwi usamla ubalakerni ha udrong le thu bola bam du lut yigi jinon jing em ha Ïing bad ushuthia akat shabala Shem kumta bro arngut kila aingu ye ublei ningkong badai lingba jungu bagi salong kumni kumba kilong menta.
Well, I want to make it very short. I don't have to take so much time. My child life is here. I born in here. I started school in Shillong itself. I have my mother and father before, but they expired. After that, I got married. So no one is with me, no longer with me because of my addiction. So when I use alcohol, when the beginning part, when I use first time, I take as a enjoyment, celebrating with my friend circle and all. After that, slowly, it started to grab me. And in my family, it's become very difficult for me because they didn't accept it, they don't like it. Even my community people also don't like. Because when those days, I remember when I get drunk and I walk outside. I do so many shameless things. I used to talk harshly with people. I used to quarrel with people also, even with my family. So my mom and father, they are no more. My wife also, she took divorce from me. My son and daughter also, they no longer with me. And after that, my life is going on and I'm using alcohol more and more. I don't know day or night, each and every day without alcohol, I cannot live. And after that, I come to, I don't have place to stay. So I stay at police bazaar, sometime I want to say, sometime Bara bazaar. So here roaming and here, no job. Before I used to work also. So when I go for work, when I ask for job from someone, they don't want to give me because of my addiction. 1 or 2 places I get job, I going for work over there, but 10 days, 12 days I used to work. After that, because of my addiction, they say, you cannot walk over here. So sometime during my addiction period, I spend my life in river district also. So I work in Bamari Resort. When I work in Bamari Resort also, that time also I get job, I feel very happy. But they also the same thing, the addiction grabbed me more. I cannot walk over there. After that, slowly, people, no one trusts me. My locality people, no one, they don't trust me. Even my friend circle, they left me. No one along with me. So I come a straight guy, a homeless guy, no place to sleep, no food to eat. So sometimes I ask from people, some who know me, sometimes they used to give me 10-20 rupees, I take. And I take the rupee, I ask for my food, but when I get the money, I run to Barobaza and take that local stuff. The Catley, I said that I used to take Catley because I don't have money at the time. I used to drink that local liquor. After that, I feeling sick, my body is not working, I cannot walk properly. I used to stay sometime in Kitting Road, some Barobaza, so cannot eat properly. Even I cannot do urine also properly. I cannot go for. It's very difficult for me. So whom I seek help was I understand now because seeking help from good cause is very difficult before. I think whom I ask help, please help me, but no one is there. But one day I remember I met my one friend, he also alcohol, he sleep with me in street itself. He took me, Rajib, if you want to change, there's a place you can come with me. He took me to Barabaza, Good Samaritan, and I made shooting as my guidance, as my wisher. People say God. I found him like a God. I don't know where is God, but I made him like a God, and he told me to come to his counseling center, but he promised me, Rajiv, you have to come here, but when you come here, don't take alcohol, and you have to come 5 days regular to my place. So first day I come, I meet him, he give me food, and I stay at Good Samaritan. I sitting over there for a long time. After that, so he come. Second day also I do the same thing. Third day, fourth day, like till 5th day, I go to Good Samaritan at Barazan. I meet him. After that, he sent me, Rajiv, today you have to go to rehabilitation. So he sent me to Kripa rehabilitation downstairs at Oberoi. So I went there. When I reached rehab, I don't know about rehabilitation, what is rehabilitation exactly. I go there, so he told me if you go there, you can work, you stay over there. So I go there willingly and I stay. First 3 months, 90 days course I do, and sometimes I don't want to stay. Sometimes I feel very bored. I want to run away from there. I want to make it short. I run away from there. But now I am accepted as an addict. I'm working over there as a staff, supporting staff at Kripa itself. And I see a lot of my friend is there, they are suffer from the addiction, just I pray. I try to help them. And yes, now I have a lot of duty for myself. I know I accept it, but I am addict, I cannot change. So I have a lot of duty, thanks.
So bagan I jitran spam gajing em sama kandian. So one day when I go so I wala plong yang aku ni aku mengalong ta, but kunjur aku nak play pastor mama sitting bila era yang ya bila baru edan ni, Shem juga Droks ngala Ngop nadu ipor arjar, kerteng juga gitu so kerteng juga deh bansok lang lingdon. Ngasong ngasa amo pram mencoa, ngahek ngasa namo pram. Te menta ngelasa stay salat sarai. Te Shem jangan ngadu mau pram ngala Ngop yo Droks tu usnam arajar khat. Te kajingnya nanti jangan syai jing shit perlok Shaba tugi snam pada tepa ni Droks ngela yo kumnat. Hadin untuk ngelaya ya nanti hadin ngam sno la penjenjar yang asam kay kapag ay ngaro beli na yung kila yale kapala pangan don na tam kajam lang jom ro la pen le di kay pen show tukan ay ngabam dulut te ngaparkhat ya kala wel jom ngaparkhat ya ka tangya ka pemerintah te hadin na ya i por ya te ha ka ka por dan we perlok te yong nga ila engine jari ne te beli beli no ceria te ko nga ngale kumno in ceria pepisan ing lapang lur kat badan ngasing lur ti de kai king bo yang te kita yung kadang ko kalat kelenti ini lam istas yo sa office good samaritan te ngale te ngayo counseling ni mas tim Te ngayo counseling ni te hadin untuk ala berkat de onga gai de jing mo chu ne AAM ngan chu tempat ni ka jing jonga ibreu tentang ada ya ju ila sia kan paramgi ila si ong bai te ba te ala berkat ta jing jonga te onga ba to ngan 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 kala no bai ong masting ka don kala bin yalam in boat dengan stagriat. Tengah masuk komen nama ba hayin don matsu ngelad bangun ngelad yulun berkhot je. Ya isu kan kin yunihin te ngayo jingarap pen ni masting te ngai start te rehab. Tengah start te rehab mi te rehab ro wala katar bagi pusai badan ni. Ngalami nanti langsung biang andre dan ngapain kata ji pusai badan ni. Dia hadina tak kenal masuk ke dalam memang ran. Tengah ini biang si masjid dia hina lewat kelai lewat di waju yusuran ismat tengah tama de dang harap yang ta tentar malong ni mangalong ru de dan dekat play ni kong wa ngai play masjid ru wa doktor kunju la harap yang te kerana nanti semua bahan ini mengalami ta, absu hanya di kami balik bang. Te kemudian dah makaran tang tahi masuk mana boleh barang.
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ke jing sedang bathuma ki jing ikai bapura kat kom kejok ke bamta ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjop ki urlong, but ki galalong ka jingshisha. MIT University Meghalaya ka jingya lenti ka bastang shakalaway bachok.